All right, so today we will look at Microsoft Power Apps. Microsoft Power Apps allows the user to create phone, tablet, and web applications with relative ease. It takes care of much of the coding for you, but there is still some learning curve. In this tutorial, we will begin a phone app on a blank canvas, learn how to create multiple screens, and add buttons to navigate to those screens, all using the Power Apps. So we're going to go ahead and start on a blank app. We'll click right here. Create a blank canvas app. You can name it however you want. We'll go with phone for today. And I've actually created one already, so we'll start here. This is our first screen that it takes you to. I've got a little welcome that you can just add over here on the side with the text label. So we'll get started with adding some buttons. So we'll scroll down here and see the button. Click on that. You can move it wherever you'd like. And today we're going to do a people button. So with our new people button, we've got to create a new screen. And we'll scroll down. You can see that there's a variety of things that you can choose from, but for today we'll look at people. All right. So that's added our people screen. You can go back over here to the tree view to see your two screens now. You can rename them if you would like. I'll name this one home and this one people. Now from the people screen, we want to get back to the home page. So what we will do is add another button. We'll move it over here. You can design it however you like, but for now we will just call it home. And that changes that. Now how we make it navigate between the two screens, we will go to the action up here, click on that, navigate. We see that it goes home between the two. There's only two screens, so it's automatic. But that's how you would change between the screens. People goes to people. All right, so we'll go ahead and try it out. Welcome, click on people. You can search for whoever you like, that's me. And get the contact info. All right, let's go home. And there you go. That's how you create buttons and different screens using Power Apps, learning how to navigate through between the screens. And that'll be it for this tutorial.